I've got some rotted out ceiling joist right here that, I mean, somebody's got to replace them. And my guess is it's going to be me. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Water rot is not good. Water rot is, you can see that's where the old leak was. And you know, for years it probably just leaked and leaked and leaked, rotted out all this, and the ceiling joist got rotted out. Everything was rotted out. And even this is rotted out, and I'm going to end up cutting out back to here and cutting out all that. So when you got a roof leak, guys, you need to get it fixed. It also ruined everything in here. It ruined everything down here. Everything I'm standing on, I have videos on how to fix everything here. So there's nothing now. I've torn out everything. The only one I've kept is this one right here. And I've torn out the others, and I'm gonna keep this one, but I'm gonna scab onto it. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna need something back there to put my new sheetrock on. So stay close. See here, I'm standing in the attic currently. And we have a new ceiling joist right here and one right here that's scabbed on there. And this is a different angle. This is all original over here. And the idea here is these were broken and cut out from water damage. So what I've done is I've went about a foot in over the top plate. See this wall right here, these boards running down? That's a wall. And there's a top plate, a piece of wood running across on top of that wall. And all I've done is run these ceiling joists and make sure they sit on that top plate. This top plate right here. And if they rest on that, like they rest on this side, you can see right here is the top plate where the pipe comes up right here. And these two ceiling joists, this one and this one, are resting on that top plate, just like over there. So I hope that makes sense. And you'll see right here, this board is a board that I put on the very edge over there so that whenever I put the sheetrock up, I can screw it into that. And on this side over here, it has those little backing boards, this one, and this one to nail into on that edge. And I'm going to show you what this looks like from the underside too, to hopefully help you understand a little bit better. So let's go down to the bottom. Okay, remember, if this is helpful in any way, go ahead and like my my video and subscribe to my channel if you like home improvement videos. And I'm going to start with showing you these backer boards. So there's a backer board right there, and right there. And see how they stick out just a little bit going up these 2x4s, and it sticks out a tad bit. Well, that's for the sheetrock to nail to. And you'll nail the sheetrock along here and each one of those boards. And now I have a new one right here in the middle, so we can nail to that. We can nail to this, and you can see there's that piece of wood right there that I laid up on top on this edge, so that when I'm doing my ceiling, I can nail my sheetrock into this piece of wood that overlaps on the very edge. You want some backing all the way around, just like you do on the floor. Like on this floor, I have a video, there's backing all the way around. You want to do the same thing at the top. And there it is. Now I'm just gonna, got a little bit more work